and welcome to Behind the Story with Business Today. This time we have a very interesting story coming up in the next issue of BT. It's on something that a lot of people in our country are involved in. It's on agriculture. And would you like to guess which state in India is growing really very fast in agriculture? You probably think it would be Punjab or Haryana, which are of course growing fast. But there's another state you wouldn't expect, and that is Madhya Pradesh. Yes, Madhya Pradesh has been growing really very fast in agriculture. It's taken some really innovative steps as well. And today we'll talk to Shweta Punj, my colleague, who has done the story on Madhya Pradesh, and she'll tell us why she did the story and what all she found. So Shweta, maybe you can tell us how you started on the story and what made you do it.
Right, Alokesh. So what was interesting was that while the country's national average is 1.9% of agriculture growth, Madhya Pradesh's farm output, agriculture growth has been in double digits for the past several years, for the past few years.
Double digits?
Double digit growth. So we decided to do the story because national agriculture growth is at 1.9% and agriculture in Madhya Pradesh has been growing at double digits for the last few years.
That's phenomenal.
So that's what got us hooked onto the story. We were wondering what is Madhya Pradesh doing right, because this was one of the Bimaru states and they've been the chief minister is onto something. And he's a farmer. So we thought, let's go find out how is he making the farmers of MP do real good work.
Fantastic. So where all did you go? Did you have some nice trips?
So we went to Bhopal and that's where we met the leadership, and that's where the vision is coming from. And then we visited a whole host of villages around Bhopal.
Right.
And I visited the state's farming research center where they are experimenting with different techniques of farming.
Right.
And they use that to educate the farmers. And I met this amazing woman who is actually taking the lead to introduce organic farming in her village.
Oh.
So while for
Organic
us, yeah, absolutely. So for us, while in this, we're living in Delhi and organic is there, but we don't really talk about it much, or not so many of us have converted to organic produce. But Madhya Pradesh is already talking about organic, and I spoke to that lady, and she's an educated person, and she's a farmer, and she's educating other ladies in in her village as well on different techniques on farm mechanization. So yeah.
So are they going? What is the primary reason behind this sudden growth? Is it like different kinds of crops that they're growing, or is it more mechanization, like you mentioned, or is it a combination of various factors?
So it's a multi-pronged approach. They have they've tackled the issue from several angles. In the last 10 years or so, Madhya Pradesh has completed close to over 100 irrigation projects which were lying incomplete. We have to remember that in politics, everyone likes to inaugurate a project.
Yeah,
and that was
complete.
the case with Madhya Pradesh also. So a lot of incomplete projects were completed in irrigation. Then storage facilities have been built. They've taken private companies on board, so they've used the PPP model. Then farmers are getting the opportunity to go abroad and learn about new techniques. They've been given access to a lot of new things. So one thing that's very interesting is it's a very empowering model and not a very subsidy led model, not a very dole led model.
Okay.
Yes, the state is giving out subsidies, but it's only doing that to a certain extent. Overall, the state is creating an ecosystem, for the farmer to thrive. That's what they do.
But tell us about your meeting with the Chief Minister. What did you think? What kind of vision is he trying to, execute?
So he's totally on it, and I think agriculture was something that is something that he's extremely passionate about. Like I said, he's a son of a farmer, and he completely gets the issues. So when I met him, I think in one breath he spoke about all the things that he's done so far, and now they're talking about food processing. So he's already won the agriculture game, and now he's already looking ahead. He's talking about food processing. He's talking about making Madhya Pradesh one of the foremost organic states of India.
Actually, is quite state of the art, if I may say so.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you could say that in agriculture, and that's a very interesting story, and there are far more deeper facets to it which Shweta has captured in her story. I would urge you to buy the magazine and read the story and tell us what you think. Thank you.